Hey everyone, welcome back to AgTech. In today's video, we are diving into Java 17 and exploring some of the most exciting new features that have been introduced. Java 17 is a long-term support release. Sealed classes restrict which classes can extend or implement a class interface. Pattern matching for a switch. Enable types matching within switch statement for a cleaner code. Enhanced pseudo-random number generators. Provide the new, more flexible random number generation options. Context-specific deserialization filters. Improve security by controlling what can be deserialized. Foreign function and memory API allow Java to interact with native code and memory outside the JVM. Removal of depreciated APIs. Remove outdated APIs like applet and finalization mechanism. New Mac OS rendering pipeline improves the performance and appearance of the Java on Mac OS. Default CDS archives improve startup and memory footprint by including default class data sharing. Text block enhancement supports escape sequences for a better formatting control. Performance improvement. Enhancement in a garbage collection and JVM performance for a faster execution. Thank you for watching this video.